Good morning, my little learners. It's a beautiful day. I hope you all are feeling happy. So, today we are going to revise the concepts of EVS. So, are you all ready? Yay! Let's start with my body parts. Do you know our body is the greatest gift by God? So we must keep it healthy. My dear kids, can you tell me what is this? This is head. The upper part of our body is called head. Our head is covered with hair. We have 2 eyes so that we can see this beautiful world. We have 1 little nose. Do you know? We smell with the help of our nose. These are ears. We can listen to the sounds with the help of our ears. We have 1 mouth. My dear kids, do you know? We eat, talk, and laugh with the help of our mouth. Below our mouth, we have a chin. So, my dear kids, can you all touch your chin? Yes, very good. We have 2 hands and we use them to hold things. Now, all my little kids, clap your hands. Very good. My little learners, do you know we have 8 fingers and 2 thumbs. We have 2 legs. Do you know? We use our legs for running, walking, and jumping. My dear babies, we have 5 sense organs. They help us to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel the things in our surroundings. So, let's do the matching. With the help of our eyes, we can see this beautiful world. With the help of our nose, we can smell. With the help of our tongue, we can taste yummy food. With the help of our skin, we can feel the things. And with the help of our ears, we can listen to the sounds. Now, let's move further to another topic, that is keeping clean. My little learners, it is really important to wash our hands properly. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take a bath daily. Comb your hair to keep them neat and tidy. You all must trim your nails with the help of a nail clipper. You must take the help of your mama or papa. You all must wear clean clothes. So, my dear kids, let's do the sequencing activity. In the morning, first we take a bath. Then we dry our body with a towel. After that, we comb our hair. And then we wear our clothes. So, this was our morning routine. Now, let's move to another topic, my house. Dear kids, do you know? House is a place where we live. There are different rooms in our house. Let's have a look. This is a living room. Living room is a place for everyday use where we can sit comfortably. Now, let's see some things that we can find in our living room. Sofa, television, photo frames, center table. My dear kids, this is a bedroom. Do you know? We use bedroom for sleeping. Now, let's have a look at the things that we can find in our bedroom. Bed, cupboard, curtains, side table and a lamp. My dear kids, can you tell me which place is this? Yes, you all are right. This is a kitchen. Kitchen is an area where food is cooked. We can see utensils, refrigerator, blender, oven, and many other things in the kitchen. My little learners, do you know? Bathroom is a place where we take a bath. So, in your bathroom, you all can see a shower, wash basin, mirror, bucket and mug. My dear kids, we all must keep our house neat and clean. I hope you all had a wonderful time in revising these concepts. Have a great time. Take care.